iPad, tablet or Kindle. No matter what, paperless office is a myth. So, here we are to take this myth closer to the truth by reducing the amount of paper needed. We are not here to do something different, rather to do something differently.
Control+P is not just a print command, it's the passage of information from its soft state to hard state. And every small detail in the printing process is very critical, and according to a recent research, just by changing the font parameters, which tend to save the amount of ink used, using this technique, the US is going to save millions of dollars.
It would amaze you to know that about 40% of the world paper is used for printing only. I mean, all of us print one or the other thing that requires a lot of paper and ink, which directly or indirectly account for huge dearth of trees. So the solution lies in reusing, not recycling.
Paper industry is one prominent user of trees, hence innovation in this domain affects the tree ecosystem. The same is with fossil fuel. So reusing paper is critical for various domains.
Because recycling takes energy and also emits harmful byproduct during the process. And the main issue is the efficiency. So by reusing, we would be able to save more.
About 45% of the office print after a single reading goes to the dustbin, and our idea came up from that dustbin only. So what and how we aim to do this something differently? Our idea is to develop a printing ink with spatial composition of resin and additives and a compatible printer that could reuse both paper and ink.
So let's have a look at this process. We have taken a blank printing paper and have printed something on it. Now we have passed that printed paper through the compatible printer, which captures back the ink and leaves the paper clean to be printed again. So what's the actual chemistry behind this? Pigments, additives, resins, colorants. Few more things goes into making ink, and by alteration in these components we will impart it some special property. This special property of ink would be that the degree and the nature of strength of the bonds between the ink and the paper would be different from a normal ink, and this property would be exploited by the compatible printer.